Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block channels on Telegram. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and just type right here Telegram, and you're going to just double check if your Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and just go ahead to my browser. Now if you want to block unwanted channels on Telegram, just open the group channel, tapping on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select block. Let me show you how it's done. Go ahead to your Telegram app, right? And you're gonna be able to see right here, this is your Telegram app and everything, right? Just go ahead and select the channel that you not actually prefer or you don't like anymore. Just go ahead and click on this one, for example. Click on their name at the top right, and just basically click the three dots right here. You're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to block channels, because this is my own channel, so I can't block my own channel, but you know, you get the gist. All right, so let's say for example like this one, that's a bot, but whatever, and just go ahead and click their name and click block, and now that channel or a chat is blocked. All right, so basically that's it. Let's find on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.